Good day, students. Welcome to this JSS 1 Basic Technology lesson on simple circuit diagrams. Every electrical device you use, your phone charger, the ceiling fan at home, the fluorescent light in your classroom, works because of a complete electrical circuit. In Basic Technology, we learn to draw and read circuit diagrams using standard symbols, not sketches of actual components. This is the universal language of electricians and engineers worldwide. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to draw standard circuit symbols for common components, read and interpret simple series and parallel circuit diagrams, construct a simple circuit from a diagram, distinguish between series and parallel connections, and apply circuit diagrams to practical troubleshooting. Let us begin. What is a circuit diagram? A circuit diagram, also called a circuit schematic, is a drawing that uses standard symbols to represent electrical components and shows how they are connected. It does not show the physical size, shape, or actual position of components, only their connections. Why use symbols? Symbols are universal. An electrician in Lagos reads the same circuit diagram as one in London or Tokyo. They are faster to draw and easier to read than realistic pictures of components. Standard circuit symbols, IEC/BECE standard used in Nigeria. Cell, one long line, positive terminal plus, and one short thick line, negative minus. Battery, multiple cells, two or more cell symbols in series. Switch, SPST, a gap with a line across one terminal, open equals gap, closed equals connected. Bulb/lamp, a circle with an X inside. Resistor, a rectangle, international/BS, or zigzag, US, avoid in WAEC exams. Variable resistor, rectangle with an arrow through it. Ammeter, circle with the letter A inside. Voltmeter, circle with the letter V inside. Fuse, a rectangle with a thin line through it, or just a rectangle. Wire, conductor, a straight line, horizontal or vertical preferred. Junction, wires connected, a field dot where wires meet. Crossing wires, not connected, a bridge, semicircle arc, over one wire. Ground/earth, three horizontal lines decreasing in length, downward triangle pattern. Two fundamental circuit configurations. Series circuit. All components are connected in one single loop. Current has only one path to follow. Characteristics. Current is the same through every component. I_total equals I_1 equals I_2 equals I_3. Voltage is shared, divided, across components. V_total equals V_1 plus V_2 plus V_3. Total resistance increases. I_total equals I_1 plus I_2 plus I_3. If one component fails, bulb blows, the whole circuit goes dead, current stops everywhere. Example, old Christmas tree lights, one fails, all go out, a simple torch with battery switch bulb back to battery. Drawing a series circuit, start from the positive terminal of the battery, draw wire to switch, from switch to bulb, from bulb back to negative terminal, all in one rectangular loop. Parallel circuit. Components are connected across the same 2 points, current has multiple paths. Characteristics. Voltage is the same across every branch, V_total equals V_1 equals V_2 equals V_3. Current is shared, divided, between branches, I_total equals I_1 plus I_2 plus I_3. Total resistance decreases. More paths equals less total opposition. 1/I_total equals 1/I_1 plus 1/I_2 plus. If one branch fails, other branches continue working. Example, household wiring in Nigeria, all your sockets and lights are in parallel, switching off one light does not affect others, connecting more appliances draws more total current. Drawing a parallel circuit, draw the battery, draw two or more vertical lines connecting the battery terminals, add components horizontally across these rails, each on its own branch. Labeling conventions. Always label component values, if given, current directions, conventional, from plus to minus, ammeter readings, voltmeter positions, across components, not in series. Wires are drawn as straight horizontal/vertical lines. Diagonal lines are avoided in formal circuit drawings. Use pencil and ruler for neat circuit diagrams. WAEC examiners penalize sketchy, freehand diagrams. 3 examination questions. Question 1. Draw a series circuit containing a 6V battery, a switch, and 2 bulbs. Label the components using standard symbols. 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Drawing circuit diagrams freehand without a ruler. WAEC and WAEC examiners mark down circuit diagrams that are sketchy. Always use a ruler for straight wires and a compass, or a coin, to draw the circles for bulbs, ammeters, and voltmeters. Diagonal wire lines are non-standard. Keep all wires horizontal or vertical. Mistake 2. Placing the ammeter in parallel instead of series. An ammeter must be connected in series, in line with the component, to measure current flow through it. If placed in parallel, it creates a near short circuit. Ammeters have very low resistance, potentially damaging the meter and the circuit. Remember, ammeter equals series, voltmeter equals parallel. Mistake 3. Showing a dot junction at every wire crossing. A field DOT means wires are connected at that point. If wires just cross but are not connected, draw a breach or arc/semicircle over one wire. Drawing dots at every crossing implies connections that do not exist. This completely changes the circuit. Summary. Circuit diagram uses standard symbols, universal language of electricity. Key symbols: cell, long plus short lines, battery or multiple cells, switch, gap/line, bulb, circle plus X, resistor, rectangle, ammeter, circle A, series, voltmeter, circle V, parallel, fuse, rectangle with line. Series circuit, one loop, same current throughout, shared voltage. If one fails, all fail, R_total adds up. Parallel circuit, multiple branches, same voltage across all, shared current, one failure does not affect others, R_total decreases, used in household wiring. Drawing rules: use ruler plus pencil, straight horizontal/vertical wires, field dot equals junction, bridge arc equals crossing without connection, label all components. WAEC tip: practice drawing standard symbols from memory. Symbols questions appear every year. For homework: A. Draw a parallel circuit with a battery, 2 switches, and 3 bulbs, 1 in each branch. B. If 2 identical 4 ohms resistors are connected in series, what is the total resistance? C. Copy and memorize all 10 standard circuit symbols. Attempt a quiz on your LMS. Draw it right, wire it right, circuits power the world. Visit Litech Academy at academy.litech.com.ng. Until next time.